Hello, let's do some talking. Page 38 and 39. Let's communicate about sports. I will talk about this and you listen. And we have some good words and phrases here. Learn for Monday. Listen and learn. Talk about sports you like and don't like. Here are 10 popular sports. With the help of the arguments on page 39, say why you like or don't like them. So for every sport, say if you like or don't like them and why is it so. Here we have the sports: aerobics, judo, boxing, football, bowling, ice hockey, golf, tennis, skiing, jogging. These are nouns. De här är substantiv. Om ni inte vet vad alla är får ni titta i lexikon. Arguments for why do you like a sport? It's cheap. Det är billigt. It's fun. Det är roligt. I can do it at home. Jag kan göra det hemma. At home. I can do it with friends. Jag kan göra det med vänner. I can do it at any time. Jag kan göra det när som helst. Arguments against. Argument mot. Om du inte tycker om någonting. If you don't like it and why. It's expensive. Det är dyrt. It's violent. Det är våldsamt. It takes a lot of time. Det tar mycket tid. I must do it at special times. Jag måste göra det på speciella tider. I can only do it in the winter or summer. Jag kan bara göra det på vintern eller sommaren. Man kan också säga because it's cheap, because it's fun. Därför. Eller eftersom. Because it's expensive, because it's violent. Man kan också säga om man tycker både och. Det beror på. If you think both for and against, you can say it depends on. It depends on. Right, so let me talk about sports that I like and don't like. Okay, I don't like aerobics because I am not good at gymnastics. I don't like to go to a gym and you have to. I don't like judo because it's expensive, it's violent, I must do it at special times. I don't like boxing. I think it's violent and I don't like to watch it on TV either. I don't like to watch it on TV either. Jag tycker inte om det att titta på TV heller. I like bowling because it's fun. I can do it with friends and family. I can do it at any time. I don't like ice hockey. I don't like to play ice hockey and I don't like to watch ice hockey. Why? I really don't know. I just don't like it. I don't like golf because it's expensive and it takes a lot of time. I don't like tennis because it takes a lot of time. You must do it at special times. I like skiing because I like winter. I like snow. I can do it alone. I can do it at any time, and it's cheap. I don't like jogging. I like walking instead. Talk about sports you like and don't like.